Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Git Bash as your default terminal in VS Code. Now, the default terminal, as you know, for VS Code is Windows CMD, which is pretty boring. As you can see here, it's pretty boring. We want to change that to the cool looking Git Bash. Awesome. So let's begin. First of all, open Visual Studio like I have done already here. And then the next thing is make sure you have Git installed in your machine. If you don't have Git, don't worry, just download it. Go to your browser and type Git. Click on the first link that is displayed here in Google. Downloads. Then download for Windows. Okay. Once you have it downloaded here, I've downloaded mine, I've installed it already, so it's pretty simple to install. Okay, let me show you my Git Bash location. Git here, open file location, open file location again. Yeah, this is where my Git resides. So what we need is Git Bash. So this is the entire Git GUI. So to find Git Bash, we have to go inside bin, and this is the bash. Okay, let's grab this directory. I'll just copy this, put it up here, and then paste bash, and then grab all of it. Go back to Visual Studio Code. Now click File, Preferences, Settings. Now you're in the Settings window. So click on Features, find Terminal, and look for Integrated Shell Windows. Don't confuse it with anything. Integrated Shell Windows, correct, we are here. Now, as you can see, terminal integrated shell Windows, the current default terminal is PowerShell. Now, this is what we want to change. Inside these quotes, copy and paste what we already copied back there. C program files, no, backslash, backslash. Now, this should do the trick. After all this we are done, just save it. Save your settings.json, Control S, then close your editor and restart it. Let's restart it. Visual Studio Code. Okay. New terminal. Bash. We already have Git Bash. Exactly. Look at this. Isn't this amazing, guys? Now, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in the next one.